Hello everybody. Today I've come with a new lesson known as electric current and its effects. Okay. Now some main important pictures are this and this table. Okay. And now this all of this and this view is very important. And this is not so just important. Now this is very important. Okay. Very important. Now we are going to the definition. No, not for definition. Watching my lab notebook. Edit the chart. I have made this. It is fuse. Okay. Always draw in lab notebook big. Okay, so that everyone can understand. Okay. Draw big and take the whole page if you want. See my electric doorbell. Okay. We are going to the definitions. Okay. Current, the flow of electric charge. करंट का मतलब है इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का बहाव. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट द पाथ along which इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन फ्लो. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट का मतलब है, अर्थ है कि एक रास्ता जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन फ्लो. रास्ता भी तो चाहिए ना. रेसिस्टेंस, द हिंड्रेंस इन द पाथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. हिंड मतलब रुकावट. रुकावट मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के रास्ते में रुकावट आने को रेसिस्टेंस बोलते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिकल रेसिस्टेंस मेजर ऑफ मटेरियल हिंड्रेंस. मटेरियल हिंड्रेंस का मतलब है एक मटेरियल जो रुकावट करता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के फ्लो में रुकावट मटेरियल करता है. अलग मटेरियल उसको इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के वहाँ को रुकावट डालते हैं, उनको इलेक्ट्रिकल रेसिस्टेंस बोलते हैं. कंडक्टर सब्सटेंसेस विच कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सब्सटेंसेस विच कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, कोई सब्सटेंसेस जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करते हैं. ओके. इंसुलेटेड मटेरियल विच शो हाई रेजिस्टेंस और कंडक्ट ऑलमोस्ट नो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू देम. मटेरियल्स मतलब कुछ पदार्थ है जो जिनका बहुत हाई रेजिस्टेंस है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बहाव होता है और वो कुछ भी करंट फ्लो कंडक्ट नहीं करते. मतलब हाई रेजिस्टेंस, लो is insulator and low resistance conductor. Okay. Fuse, safety device in electric current which prevents short circuit. Fuse always prevents short circuits. Okay. Electromagnet carrying current carrying coil of insulated copper insulated wires wrapped around a piece of iron. Current carrying coil means electromagnet means artificial magnet, you can say. Artificial magnet, you can say. Okay. Mm, which can be turned on and off at any time. Okay. Now we are going to one word or few word. Okay. uh, the strength of magnetic field of a current carrying coil depends on the number of turns in the coil. Okay. It is to the more the number of coils is there, the strength of magnetic field is more. Okay. Fuse whereas low electric resistance, it is false. High electric resistance fuse whereas high electric resistance, so that it can prevent short circuit. Okay. Fuse where melts when the circuit is overloaded. True. These were always melts when the circuit get overloaded or overheated. Okay. Electromagnets are used to make permanent magnets. It's also true. Electromagnets are used to make permanent magnets. Read the lesson so that you can get understand. Now, what is this? Copper wire is coated with an insulating material to protect the user from electric shock. It's also true. Copper wire is coated with insulating material. Always you will see copper wire is coated with insulating material. It is transparent, so you will see the copper wire only. Magnetic strength of a conductor decreases with the increase in current. False. Magnetic strength of conductor increases. Okay, increases with the increase in current. Okay. A tungsten used in making filament of the pulp. You must read the lesson to understand it. Conductors are materials that allow electric current to pass through them and have low resistance. As I said earlier, low resistance means conductors, and conductors allow electric current to pass through them. Okay. A material used for making electromagnet is soft iron. Okay. Materials used for making electromagnets is soft iron. Okay. In the symbol of cell, the longer line represents positive terminal. Longer line represents positive terminal. Shorter line represents negative terminal. Okay. Shorter line negative, longer line positive. Okay. Electromagnet can attract iron. Electromagnet can attract iron. Okay. Combination of many cells. Many cells constitute of battery. Okay. Fuse wire has high electric resistance. As I said, high electric resistance means almost uh, bad conductor or insulator. High electric resistance means bad conductor or insulator. You have to join this, okay? Column A with column B, column A with column C. So first one is fuse, means safety device. This safety device, and what is it used? It prevents short circuits. Fuse prevents short circuits. Ignore this. Fuse prevents short circuits. Okay. Green wire means green wire is called as earth wire. Green wire is also known as earth wire, and it and it and it prevents. And it is known as earthing. Okay, the process is known as earthing. Green wire is known as earth wire, and the process is known as earthing. Nichrome is used in element of heaters. Nichrome is used in element of heaters because it is almost insulate means bad conductor, or it offers very large resistance, so it gets heated up quite quickly, so it is used in room heaters. So answer is offers large resistance. Nichrome offers large resistance. What is bakelite? Bakelite is used to make electric switches. It is a white color plastic that is known as electric switch. It doesn't melt in high heat. Okay, that is why it is used to make electric switch, and it is, and don't ignore this, okay? And bakelite is an insulating material, so that's why it is it offers large resistance and is insulated, so we can use the switch correctly, okay? Now current. What is current? Flow of electric charge. We read the definition. Flow of electric charge means current, and it is measured in ampere. Okay, current is measured in ampere. And resistance means hindrance to the flow of electric current. Hindrance means रुकावट. रुकावट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की रुकावट को रेसिस्टेंस कहते हैं. हाँ, इसको ओम से उसका उसका नेम है ओम, और उसको मेजर करने का चीज़ है ओम. ओके, we are going to MCQs. MCQs are which are following offers minimum resistance to the flow of electric current. Minimum resistance means less resistance means more, it's most best conductor. Where is the silver? Okay, fuse is made of lead and tin. Lead and tin. You must read this lesson to understand. Okay, which is following does not allow electric current to pass through them. Rubber is insulator. Okay, impure water is conductor, steel is conductor, and brass is also conductor. Materials which offers maximum resistance. Maximum resistance means insulators. Okay, as I said, the definition is also there. Electromagnets are used in all of them. Means all of them. Everything we can use in electromagnet. The higher resistance, the greater is the heat produced. High resistance, great heat. Okay, greater heat. Now there is nothing is there. Now we are going to the brief answers. What is meant by open circuit? Why does electric current does not pass through them? Open circuit is a circuit which is a path which the path of electric current is broken. Okay, broken circuits is not complete, so it cannot electric current cannot pass through them, because if the circuit is incomplete, the electric current will not pass through them. So open circuits is means broken circuit. Open circuit means broken circuit. Okay. And the second question, why does a nichrome wire get heated in an electric current? Electric current, whereas nichrome does. Nichrome offers more resistance than copper, for nichrome produces more heating effect. So I said more resistance means heating effect. It will heat very fast, and it has more resistance than copper, so it heats up quickly, making our making making our cool. It's making me cool. Okay. Mm. What material is used to make the fuse wire? What material is made fuse wire? Can you use any metallic wire as fuse wire? Give reasons. Okay. What material? Only the mixture of lead and tin we can use for fuse wire. Other metals we cannot use for fuse wire because they for low resistance, while the mixture of lead and tin gives us high resistance. Okay, So this is the reason for why we cannot use other metallic wire. Okay, what are the causes of fire in electric circuit? Very simple question. The causes of fire in electric circuit are overload. Very important thing: overload and short circuit. Okay, overload and short circuit. So today it is only do this much. Okay, now uh let's see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.